buttered chocolate chip cookies for Santa. The first step, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and line your baking sheets. After preheated oven, line your baking sheet. You whisk together your flour, your baking soda, baking powder, and salt. All of it. When you're done mixing, set this bowl aside. Now we're ready for the next pour. My other large bowl is dirty, so we're using a big saucepan instead. So in a separate bowl, we're gonna mix together with a hand mixer the melted butter and the peanut butter. Now let's mix it with the hand mixer. Then you mix in your sugars. Here. Okay, now that's this side. So it just goes out. Uh-oh. We should spread that out. Now you add in eggs, one at a time. Ooh. Now the next egg. No. Uh-oh, something got in. Oh no, I need to get it out fast. Yuck. Yeah. We got the red-nosed reindeer. Had a very shiny nose. Won't you come my Santa? Pour in an egg yolk. Oh, Mr. Grinch, was a bad boy, dun. Mix in the vanilla. Some of here. So slowly mix in your flour mixer with the peanut butter mixer. Ready for something chocolatey? Let's chocolate chips. I know for a fact that's it. Loves chocolate. Nom nom. Now you roll a ball and smush it on the pan. Look how big my circle is. Let's put it on the pan. Smash. Okay, now, so gonna bake them in the oven for 12 minutes. That's a long time. Now we have to taste them and see if they're not pleased with Santa. Dun dun dun. Good. You better not shout. You better not cry. You better not pout. I'm telling you what. Santa Claus is coming to town. So be good for goodness sake. Happy Christmas,